Good morning, everyone. Okay, start beta. Simran, what you have written in a letter? First read the question then. Simran,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, start.
Ma'am, my letter topic is write a letter to your uncle lives at Panchagni asking him if you and your sister can spend a few days at his place. Ma'am, can I start? Ma'am, first of all, we have to write our name as I have written Simran Satyanarayan Sahu, B10 Virat Ashish Apartment, Barrage Road, Badlapur West, 421503, and date of 27 November 2020. My dear uncle, just today I happened to read a travelogue about Panchagni and I immediately thought of you. Jessie and I were wondering where to spend this vacation and I told her, why not Panchagni? Life in Mumbai can become very dull and drab. The
Simran,
pleasant and...
Simran, it is
Yes,
Panchagani.
ma'am.
It is Panchagani.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Panchagani. Life in Mumbai can become very dull and drab. The pleasant and branching climate of Panchagni itself is invitation enough. The various waterfalls, cave and point to visit across the tableland and added attractions. The icing of the cake, so to say, it is mention of strawberries and ice creams. Also, I believe the Radha Krishna temple is a beautiful and serene place. Uncle, please let us spend this holiday at your place. I promise you, we will be no trouble at all. Daddy and Mummy have given us the good head. Now all that remain if is for you to say yes. Please let us know soon because we will have to make travel arrangements. Give my love to dearest Chachi and my small brother. Your lovingly Simran.
Good beta. Very nice. Okay, that all the things you have written on your left hand side, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Wait, ma'am, let me show you.
Just on your webcam so I can see that. Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's move to the some other child. Yes, beta, start.
Yes, you are Akriti or Abhinav, B001 Geeta Apartment, Ramnagar, Badlapur East. Write a letter to your friend describing your boarding school. Akriti, B001 Geeta Apartment, Ramnagar, Badlapur East, PIN 421402, date 29th October 2020. Dear Sukriti, I hope with the grace of God, you and your family would be absolutely fine. Since you know, I recently shifted to a boarding school, so let me talk about all that I experienced in this school so far. The name of my school is National Higher Secondary School, situated at a scenic place in Pune district. There are more than 2,000 students studying under the guidance of 60 well qualified teachers. Well ventilated 60 rooms are the highlights of this school. With outstanding results and best coaching from very kind and helpful staff, I feel delighted to have joined here. The food here is extremely nutritious and tasty. We students have our food in a neat and tidy room. The spacious and well-lit library is full of unimaginable, wonderful stories that fills the hunger of knowledge in students. We have a huge playground with best sports coaches, which makes sporting activities really fun and easy. This is the best place to learn to inculcate good moral values and discipline within yourselves. I strongly suggest you to join this school next year in order to get the best learning experience together. Convey my regards to uncle and aunt. Your friend Bhumi.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, good beta, good. Very nice. Now, next, I have given one formal and one informal letter. So I want for the formal letter now. Someone should raise their hand to read out the formal letter. Start.
Write a letter to a principal of your school asking for 5 days leave. 9th है आलोक सदन शनिवार पेट पुणे 411002 2nd February 2018 to the class teacher Idle English High School Pune 411002 subject application for sick leave. Dear sir, I am down with malaria and have been admitted to Sassoon Hospital. It is quite a bad case and the doctor says I will have to spend at least 5 days in hospital. Even after that, it will take me some time to recover. Please grant me at least 5 days sick leave. I hope to recover by then. If not, I shall inform you. Your obedient student XYZ.
Okay, good beta, but I think your letter is very short. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
but it is good. Good efforts. I at least have written. Let us start with these questions. Though there is a movement like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and enrolling of underprivileged children in schools, there are still many children like the one in the who do not go to school, rather have never seen a school. It is indeed disturbing. You decide to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your views and steps to be taken. Okay, so now you have to write a letter to the editor. Okay, Kunal. Yes, Kunal, you have raised your hand. Sorry, Kunal has given the answer in the chat box. Sorry. Uh, yes, I'm waiting for this. Tell me the subject. What will be the subject of this letter? I'm waiting for your reply. I hope you have understood the question, what you have to do. Reply fast in a chat box, beta. I'm getting some answer, but I'm waiting for more students to answer that. The question, okay. What is asked? Okay, not understood the question. There is though there is a movement like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Now there's a lots of movement has been done to educate the each and every child, but still some unprivileged children in school. Okay, and unprivileged in the sense those who not civilized one. They were also in the school, but still some are at their home. Okay, so what you have to try, you have to, yes, very good, Balaji. You have to write a letter to the newspaper editor. So what will be the subject? I'm asking about the subject. What could be the subject? Very good, Bhumi. Okay, I want to read out the subject given by students. Bhumi has given regarding literacy of poor children. Very good. Ojaswati regarding enrollment of children in Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Beta, you have to modify your answer, Ojaswita. Balaji, complaint regarding issue of students not participating in education. Okay, it can be. regarding literacy of poor children. Okay, Bhumi. Revti has written enrolling of underprivileged children in schools. Okay. Yes, all of the topics are whatever the subject you have written. Yes, that can be done. Ojaswita, you just have to modify your subject. So, what is the main idea over here? That I didn't get your beta. Simran, let me find out yours. Then I'll read out. Regarding the letter for unprivileged what? And for what? Yes, student. But for what purpose? What was the purpose? For what purpose we are writing the letter? For the education. So education is the main point. Okay. So educating the unprivileged or not, it is not a complaint letter, but you are requesting, you are expressing the editor to make some points that can make people aware. So you have to write, it is not a complaint letter. Okay, so it is just a letter. And what will be the subject? Educating the unprivileged people or unprivileged student, unprivileged child. Is that clear? This should be the subject. Is that understood, beta? Just, now, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just write it down later and read out. Or you can put in a chat box also your letters. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Just I want body of the letter. Your time starts now. For the first question, beta, the about which we have discussed this subject, na, that though there is a movement like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, that you have to explain. You write the body of the letter for that. I want just body of the letter, beta. Salutation and the body of the letter. I want both. First, write it down the whole letter. Don't give me one point. I can understand. Okay. Write it down whole letter and send it to me. For that, I given a given time. Okay. Out some. Let me read out some letters given by my dear students. Okay. So first is given by Sanskriti. As you must be aware, several areas of our city are underwater after recent rains. Beta, that first question I told, na? Yes. Ojaswita. Good morning, ma'am. Not ma'am, beta. You are writing late. To the editor, no need to say good morning to me. As I, as a, I, as not, uh, I, as a responsible citizen, wants to convey a message to all. Nowadays, there are a lot of children who just can't participate in education due to unprivileged in education. This can't be ignored, as education is a basic need for today's generation. So I request you to write a article about the same. It would be great if people understand the importance of education. I hope you will cooperate. Thank you. Okay, Jasvita, you have written a good, short and very nice content. But first mistake, you have written the good morning, ma'am. You don't. I told no need to tell me good morning and everything. You have to just write the body of the letter. So in that, to good morning, ma'am is not okay. And I told to write the salutation. What will be the solution? That also should be mentioned. Now the second mistake you have done. I, as a responsible citizen, this is not looking proper. Okay, as a responsible citizen, I want to convey a message to all or the society with the help of your newspaper. Understood? If you're going to write like this, so it will be a little different. Then you have written, see, nowadays. Now is you written in a small letter. It should be capital letter. Okay, these are the small mistakes which you are doing in the exam, and you are asking why we got less mark. Okay, Simran. Okay, you have written, but there is a mistake. You written D in a small letter. It should be capital, and the letter should be in block format. It means everything should be start from the margin. The second and third paragraph you have written, it is by leaving space. This should not be done. Okay, so I am the people of India. I am the people of India. No, I am a citizen of India. Okay, or you can write as a citizen, as a responsible citizen of India. I am writing this letter to inform you that the many unprivileged students are not going to school because of some reason. I need that you should do something for this students education. A post office should be there. I hope you will take some action related to my issue. Two is you missed the two. Yours faithfully XYZ. Okay. Okay. Bhumi has given respected ma'am or sir. I am a normal citizen of the country. Beta, don't write responsible, it's okay. But don't write normal. I'm a citizen of a country. Okay, I'm a citizen of country. I heard a moment named movement, not moment. Moment is different and movement is different. Movement movement means something has been done to bring the change. Moment, moment. What does it mean? Moment, it is time. Okay, so it should be movement. I heard a movement named Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, and enrolling E should be there. The unprivileged children. I just want to request, Beta, you have not explained. Okay, Bhumi, you have to explain actually what. See, what was the question? What was the question? That instead, even though there is a Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, but still students are there are some unprivileged children, those are not going to the school. Okay. And so you want to write a letter expressing your view, what you think about it, and what steps should be taken by you. You have not mentioned the main idea. You have to write the word. How do you feel when they are not going to school, and what do you want to do? That steps you have to mention. Okay. Ashka, this should not like be that. My name is Ashka Dubey, so I am writing the means if you have something else, so you will not write the letter. No, my name is Ashka Dubey. I am writing this letter for the that children who don't go to school. Uh, okay. So now you can see there's you have not written. What happened? The same thing happened in the exam. When you are writing the letter, you're not writing the main content and other things you start writing. So how you will get the marks? Am I right? It is very important that you should write the main content. What is the main question? Here you have to write the letter to the editor of a newspaper who want uh, because you want to express your feelings regarding the students those who are not going to the school and what steps you want to take, that also you have to write. Is that clear? So that should be mentioned in the question answer. That is the important point. Understood? Okay. Wait. I'm reading a letter for you. I told just write the body, so I'll read the body. But now you know how to mention. Here subject. Sorry, the name and the address is not given, so you can write. Uh, Now here it is as it is not given, so you can write your name, but not surname. For example, I'll take Ashka. Ashka, 87A Saket Colony, Ambernath East. Okay, today's date 29th October 2020. To the editor, The Times of India, Mumbai. Subject: educating the unprivileged. Respected sir, though the column of your through the column of your reputed newspaper, I wish to draw your attention towards the movement Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, which aims at providing knowledge to all children. Even the Act RTE, Right to Education, also ensure education for all children between the age of 4 to 14. But these movements and acts do not show themselves implemented anywhere, especially in the unprivileged class. There are still many children who do not go to the school. They either work as a domestic labor or in a factory, dhabas, etc. They either work, it is disturbing to note that our government plans are not bearing any fruit. It is all because of lack of awareness towards these kids of movement, these kinds of movement. Sorry, we all need the help of print media as well as electronic media to spread message of awareness to the masses. The unprivileged children must be made to realize that they have the right to get education, so they must go to school. The foremost thing is to discourage child labor so as to give these children a bright future. I hope you will pay attention to this noble cause and publish it in your newspaper. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Ashka. Understood? Okay. This should be the kind. Okay, now what you have to see, these two questions are given. This will be your homework. You have to write on this letter. And when you are going to write, still just first read out the question properly. Find out the main issue, then start writing. Is that clear? Let's move to the second type. It was a formal. Now let's move to the informal letter. Write a letter to a friend, Rudra, inviting him to spend the summer vacation at your place in Mumbai. You are Sakshi Saksham, Chaitanya apartment, Rameshwari, Badlapur. Now write the letter. Okay, Bhumi Tiwari, good. I have read the letter now. It was nice one. Just you split this letter in a two part, okay? Two paragraph. One is introduction and one is the that is the main idea. I'm not reading your letter because your student will get confused because I given the second question, okay? This first one. Write a letter. I'm reading out which letter you have to write. Write a letter to your friend Rudra, inviting him to spend the summer vacation at your place in Mumbai. We are Sakshi Shaksham Chaitanya apartment, Rameshwari, Badlapur. Okay, this letter will take subject. No. Why? Because why it will not take subject? Yes, it is informal. Okay, now start writing, beta. You later. Your time starts now. First one, beta. You have to write the first one. And one more thing I want to this later. Hello, Rudra. Sorry. Dear Rudra. Hello, Rudra. How are you? The reason for writing this letter to you is summer vacation. You will be confused at how. But let me tell you that previous year also we have decided to enjoy our summer vacation at my home. But because of our some family issue we have cancelled. So I hope you will be coming at my home this year. Okay. Beta, now see the what is the question that you invited? So what you will do that when you are inviting someone, so you will say na that we are when you are going to come, so you have we will do this and that. So that also should be mentioned. Okay, is that clear? So your letter should be more beautiful. Okay, let me read Simran's letter. Dear friend Rudra, hi. With a single I, not a double I, HI only. How are you? I hope you and your family are fine. How hope you? I hope no, beta. I hope your studies are going on. How is your studies are going on, beta? Just see what you are writing, then write. Uh, Oh, just pray to God that you will come first in your class. I am writing this letter to invite you in my house for this summer vacation. See if you will not come, I will not talk with you. How is your sister and your grandparents and your parents? I hope that your family is fine. You're lovingly Simran. Beta, what is the name given? Sakshi or Saksham, right? So as you are girls, we have write Sakshi. Okay, Simran. Now Sarvesh has written Dear Rudra. Rudra, after Rudra, you have to start with a new line. Okay, beta? Sarvesh. I, your best friend Saksham, as we know that our exams are over and it has been a long time we have spent with each other. Very good. And have, not have, it is had. Okay. The past and past participle of have is had. Uh, So yesterday, when I came from school, I was thinking that the exams are over. What to do in summer vacation? So I thought that we can have fun, and in Badlapur there are many resorts. So can you please visit Badlapur once? It will be pleasure for me. We will enjoy. We will play games, read books, and like this, it will be no boring for me or for either use. Okay, so visiting my please inform a day before so I can make arrangement. Okay, yours lovable friend XYZ. Now here on the app you have written the name in your address before address, and now you're writing XYZ. So it is wrong, no? Beta, see, no, sorry, no need to tell me that sorry. What I am saying that because of this mistakes, you are losing your marks. Okay, let me read out Balaji's later. Chaitanya apartment, Rameshwari, Badlapur West. Now, Balaji, you can put the name up. Before address, you have to put the name also. Okay, good, you have written the whole letter. Very nice. My dear friend, 29th October. October should be full. October. Okay. Thank you very much for your letter. It was so kind of you to send me the present. I am awfully excited for the upcoming summer vacation. I usually don't spend my vacation just enjoying and reading all the time Sherlock Holmes, but this time I promise to spend the most of the time in enjoying. You know my address. We'll uh, have lots of fun in the vacation. Words I know are poor comforters, but you can promise me to come this time to make this vacation the best of all. Your sincere friend, Saksham. Not sincere, beta, you should write your lovable friend. Okay. Then second thing, you have written this. Your letter was very nice. But you can write more better. Okay, you can write more better. Okay, so just try to for writing the best. Okay, now Dakshita has given Chaitanya apartment, Rameshwari, Badlapur, 28/10/2020. This should not be the format of writing the date. Okay, but this should not be done in the your exam, beta. Dakshita, that you have written the name Neha. Okay, because in exam they will not accept your sorry and you can't say sorry to them as you don't know the name, right? So be careful while writing later. Uh, Hi Neha. Instead of Neha, you have to write Rudra. So I'll read Rudra. Hi Rudra. I am Sakshi. How are you? I am fine. How are uncle and aunt? What about uncle and aunt? Instead of this, you can write this also. No? So the main reason to writing this later. Now what happens? See, there is a no correlation. So when you are writing the letter, there should be correlation between the sentences also. Is that clear? Uh, so the main reason to writing this letter to you is summer vacation. Summer spelling is wrong. In last vacation, I was out station. That is why we were where spelling is wrong. Uh, Not together, but now I am not going anywhere. But we are sorry anywhere we are together. So spelling is wrong, beta. I am saying that can you please this short abbreviation will not be go with your exam, beta. You have to write the full form, full spelling. So please come in my hometown Mumbai to enjoy your and summer vacation. Please come, Neha. You're friendly, not your dear friend. You can write Sakshi. Okay, I'll read out the answer for you. What should be the exactly address and all everything. Okay. Okay. First, we will read this Bhumi's letter. Uh, I hope this later find you in best of health and spirit. Since you know that summer vacations are meant to be joyous and exciting after a stressful series of a month-long exams, I have planned to spend this previous time with you, precious time with you and your family all together. This summer vacation, let's hope spelling is do correction beta, to Maharashtra's most famous place for tourists, that is Mumbai. For a complete tour, I have planned to visit important places including Gateway of India, Hotel Taj, Marine Drive, Museum and Hanging Garden, Nehru Planetarium, Aquarium, Queen's Necklace, and Jew Beach. The beaches here and Film City attracts even foreign tourists. Please come here from different parts of world to people comes here from different parts of the world to be a spectator of immensely beautiful city. Convey my sincere regard to uncle and aunt. Remember that all planning and arrangement would be done by me, the management queen. Very good. You waiting for your positive reply. Very good. Very nice, beta Bhumi. Just modify something, yeah, about your spelling and punctuation mark. Otherwise, later was very nice. Okay. So, beta, we will stop here today.